Hi everyone, welcome to the first section here where I'm just going to cover how to download the data analysis ToolPak, talk through a couple of different tests, and show you a quick trick to sort of increase data management. So hopefully first off you've started by downloading this university data, and it is really ugly. It contains sort of a tab for each of the different tests that we're going to do. But you'll use them for the next 11 sections or any of those that you want. So it's nice to go ahead and get comfortable with it. So we have the variables here, we have the data definitions here, we have the raw data, and then I went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit to make these other tests a little bit longer, or a little bit shorter, not longer. And so yeah, the first thing if we're going to do a test is, well, we need the data analysis ToolPak. And so to figure out if you have it already, you can go to data up here, and I'll talk through the Mac version in just a second, and make sure you're full screen, you might not be able to see all this, but over here it should say data analysis. If you don't have that, let's walk through the steps really quickly. So on a PC, what you have to do is you'll go to File, and this is a long, tedious process, but you'll go to Options, and then this should pop up, and you'll go to Add-ins. It's going to take a second to load here. And then down here at the bottom, Excel add-ins should say Manage. You'll do Go. And then you should see Analysis ToolPak. I would just go ahead and check that box. I already have it checked because I have it installed. And then hit OK. And then it might not show up immediately. You might have to click on a different tab and then click back, but then you should see Data Analysis ToolPak. If that doesn't work, save this and then reopen it. That's sort of the main problems that I've seen. Once you have it, then you can go through here and just click it, and it opens up and it shows through all the tests. And some of these might be familiar and some of them not, but it's just each of these is a different type of test or thing that it'll let us do. And a lot of these we're going to cover in the following videos. You can actually build a histogram in here. I don't use it that way, but a lot of the different things we can do. So we're going to go through a lot of these in the next couple of videos, but we have to have this first before we do it. And then the last thing we want to talk about is we're eventually going to have to go and get data and move it or organize it. And an easy way to do that I've found is filters. It'll let us move or select data really, really quickly. And so if you're on this data tab, there's two ways you can do this. You can click on filter, and these will all pop up. Make sure you haven't selected a column or randomly anything like that, but go to the cleaned data section and then make sure you click filter. I've gotten comfortable, so I'll do the keyboard shortcut. So if you do Control-Shift-L or Command-Shift-L, they pop up, and we'll use these later to kind of easily select data and sort. If you're on a Mac, to get the data analysis ToolPak, it's actually a little bit easier. So up on your top toolbar, so you usually have the top and the bottom. So you'll go to Tools, and then you should be able to click something that says Excel Add-ins, and then right there you have that box. Just check Excel or an Analysis ToolPak, click OK. And then, again, you might have to click off the data and come back to it. And then, again, if you want to put these headers in here or these filters on, you can click the filters button, or for you, it's Command-Shift-L all at the same time, and they pop up there. Other instructions are online with the link if you need help, but that's a good way to get started. Hope this was helpful.